Let your breath react. Hope, U. Connect with your heart. Let your hands stream down the energy of your heart through your legs and feel how this connecting with the lower energy slowly brings you forward a little bit. Take the energy of the earth with you and form a bowl with your arms, receiving the light and the space from behind. Have the feeling of having a rainbow, the pods of a rainbow in your both hands, the rainbow spreading above of yourself. Let your hand go. The rainbow doesn't weigh anything. Slowly turn your hands, that the back of the hands come together. And slowly bring your energy from above you, through your head, through your heart, through your lower body, through your legs, into connection with the earth again. And let go. Seemingly, this gesture makes you small and compressed, but it's just a challenge that your inner system says, but not with me. On the contrary, because you say, I want to press me a little bit, I'm even becoming bigger and fuller, sunnier. And where does this inner system, the energy, come from? That's a little detail which I will now mention too. We do the same exercise again. You connect with your heart. You stream down. Connect with the energy of the earth. You take the earth to make this crystal bowl, and now bend up your toes and use these toes and bend them up to create a stream which comes up in your body from the within and makes this realm of your chest strong from within, expands it from within. And then you let go. Follow the rainbow, turn your hands, and remember the energy which the chest has got from underneath, and keep this energy, openness, alive, that what comes from above can penetrate through this open space down there. And let go. Because it is open here, the flow goes through inside and cannot press it from outside anymore. 2 more times without me talking additional words. Connecting, receiving, letting go, receiving, connecting. Big, full heart, full lungs. Tiny, tiny step in between. Connect. Hope. Receive. Let go. Turn the hands. Ooh. And let go. feel the resonance in your body.